भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम। नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम। नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम। नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो 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 वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। वासुदेवाय नंदनंदनाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
वासुदेवाय
वासुदेवाय नंदनंदनाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
वासुदेवाय नंदनंदनाय वासुदेवाय
नंदनंदनाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
हर वासुदेवाय नंदनंदनाय
वासुदेवाय नंदनंदनाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
हरो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय श्री राम। Berapa hari, no? Comfortable? Sure. Good?
Good.
How do you chant? Pranam mantra. Bolo. Everybody close your eyes, eh? Don't worry.
Sir, show the moon.
Huh? हाँ. Good Premanande. When we chant Om, then remember divine couple Radha and Krishna. Akara Uchchate Krishna Sarva Lokaika Nayaka Ukara Prakriti Radha Makara Jiva Vachaka. Om means
Krishna.
3 syllables are there. A, U and Ma. How many? Krishna. Akara Uchchate Krishna, who is called the Sarva Lokaika Nayaka, who is the supreme controller and all the universe. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they paying their obeisances unto his lotus feet. Ukara Prakriti Radha, who means that is called Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is called the Antaranga Shakti, internal potency of Krishna. Or Makara Jiva Vachaka. Ma means Jivas. That means Radha Krishna worshipped by all the Jivas. So, when you chant this mantra, Gayatri is Pratham, first word, that is called Om. So this Om, that is called the Pranab Vachaka. Pranab means destroy all kinds of your what is called Vighna, means impediments, obstacles. All your obstacles will destroy from your heart. If you just chant this mantra, Om, then this Om more manifests and condensed form, that is called Klim. Klim. So Klim, this is also Kakar Uchchate Krishna. Ka, La, Dirghikar or Ma, or one Bindi there. Bindi, understand? One dot is there. Ka means Krishna. La means Radhini Shakti Srimati Radhika. Or one is Dirghikar, this way. That is called Radha Krishna's Milan. Mane Radha Krishna, they are meeting together. Or one the dot, that is called, when Radha Krishna they meeting together, that is the symptom, their love and affection. That is called embracing and kissing. So for this regard, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain the first Om. This was manifested in the inner court of the heart of Brahmaji. And Brahmaji, this syllable received from Narayan. That is called the Pranab Vachak, Pranab mantra. Pranab. That is the transcendental vibration sound. Then again this vibration sound, Pranab, more mature and manifest in the form of Klim. And how Radha Krishna, they are meeting together and perform sweet Leela. So Radha Krishna ekoi sarup, Leela ras asadite dhare dui roop. Radha Krishna is one. When Krishna is thinking, I will perform Leela, that time Yogamaya or Leela Shakti, Yogamaya, she arranged. Then Srimati Radhika, Antaranga Shakti, manifests from the body of Krishna. That means Krishna is full of potency, Shakti. So Shastra is saying, Krishna Purna Shakti Man, Radha Purna Shakti. Dui vastu bhed nahi Shastra Praman. According to the evidence of Shastra, Krishna is called Purna Shakti Man. Srimati Radhika is called Purna Shakti. So Shakti Shakti Manor Dayor Abheda. There are no difference between Shakti and Shakti Man. But when Krishna is thinking, I perform sweet Leela, Eko Aham Bahushyami. And Upanishad explain, Eko Aham, I am one. Bahushyami. Then his desire coming, manifest many forms. So for this regard, Yogamaya she arranged this Leela. Krishna's ineffable potency, main potency that is called Antaranga Shakti. Antaranga Shakti was Sarup Shakti Savar Upari. Sarup Shakti means internal potency of Krishna. Sometimes Shakti manifests, sometimes unmanifest. That Sanskrit word that is called Murta and Amurta. Manifest and unmanifest. When Krishna is thinking, I perform Sri Leela, that time Yogamaya arranged these things. So this very nice, beautiful Leela described in our Shastra. Once Krishna, he came on the bank of Yamuna under the banyan tree. Then that time Krishna, he was alone. Tribhanga Lalit Krishna, very nice, beautiful, three-band fold. Baraha Piran Nataprabopu Karna Karnikaram Viprata Basu Kanakusham Bhajantamalam Rangran Vena Ratha Sudaya Purana Gopa Vrindai Vindaranang Sapataravanang Pavishata Giti Kirti Kusturi Tilakangla Dabatale Bakastale Kustubang Nasadre Varmuktikang Kartalvenu Kare Kankanang Sarvange Harichandana Sulitang Kante Chamuktavali Gopastri Parivestito Vijayate Gopala Chudamani. There are many evidence, praman, from our Shastra. Krishna is not alone. You are also not alone. Who is with you? Guru and Krishna always with you. Who is Guru? Chaitya Guru, Paramatma, always with you. So further you are saying, Jiva is never staying alone. You are not alone. Who are you? Who
are with you.
are
With you.
with you? That is called Chaitya Guru, Paramatma and Lord always with you. So now coming this way, Krishna, he is thinking, I perform Sri Leela. Then according to the desires of Krishna, that is called Krishna's desire potency. Desire potency means Ichha Shakti. Ichha Shakti. Ichha means desire. You have desire not? Many kinds of desires have you. In the same way, Krishna's desire potency, Ichha Shakti, arrange everything. Then Krishna's right hand start to shake. one kalpa. And Baladev Prabhu manifests from his right hand. Or another kalpa, then Sadasiv manifests from the right hand of Krishna. Then after a few seconds, Krishna's left hand start to shake. Then one very nice, beautiful young girl, not more than 14 years old. Who is 14 years old here? Raise hand.
Hindi 14 yun.
Very nice, cheerful young girl, very beautiful and attractive. Her eyes, very big eyes, long eyes, coming on this way. Forehead, very nice, beautiful forehead, crawling here and going down her knee. This. All her limbs and body very beautiful and attractive. When she manifests from Krishna's body, just she turn her face to Krishna and with her romantic sidelong glance captivated the heart of Krishna. Though Krishna is called Atmaram, Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. Atmaram, Atmakam, Krishna, who is called Tridharsar, vast of opulence, everything. But when Krishna, he saw that young girl, very beautiful and attractive. Then Krishna, he could not control his mind. Then Krishna, he ran towards her to have to catch to her. But she was, that young lady, she was very clever. She was running. Then Krishna also chasing behind her. She is going up of the mountain. Then Krishna also chasing up the mountain. When she also down in the mountain and Krishna also down. And in this way, so many hours, that young girl, she also running, and Krishna also chasing behind her. Sometimes going down, sometimes going up, this way. Then that young girl, she turned her face, she noticed, oh, now Krishna is very tired. And so much sweat falling down from his forehead. And Krishna's body completely what? Wept with his own sweat. And then that young girl, she to little bit stopped to run. Then Krishna caught her and took back in the same place on the bank of Jovana under the banyan tree. Here our Goswamis explain, and who is that young girl? What is her origin name? Radha. Ra means Anurag, and that means Krishna runs behind her deep attachment. That is called Anurag. Anuragena, Dha means Dhavati. Dhavati means Krishna runs first behind her. For this regard, her name is called Radha. Why Srimati Radhika's origin name is called Radha. Krishna Anuragena Dhavati Jasmat Jasmat Sa Radha. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika's origin name, that is called Radha. Anurag means is what? There are two symptoms of deep attachment, Anurag. Paraspranu Snehanu Bandhanam. Anurag means this Paraspranu Sneha Anubandhan. when they also tightly with their love and affection. That is called anurag. Or another anurag symptom, that is called darshane atriptata. Remember, 2 words. And darshane atriptata means if you take darshan, you will not
Satisfied.
complete satisfied. You can think more and more, take darshan. In this material world, not possible. Anything you can see, then after few hours, you are not interested to see again. Because in this material world, everything is changeable and temporary and also destroyable, dhangsasil. Understand? In this material world, everything is changeable and destroyable. But in transcendental world, everything is what? Eternal and transcendental. That things will be never changeable. But simultaneously, one word used, that is called ever fresh, newly. The Sanskrit word that is called Nitya Navayanman. Nitya and Navayanman. Ever fresh, newly. But in this material world, not possible. In this material world, Jada Jagat, we cannot use this word Navayanman. Ever fresh, newly, in this material world. Everything in this material world is what? Changeable. Every second, change everything. Our body, mind, everything change or not? Your mind change or not? Every second your mind change also. Chanchalahi Manak Krishna Pramati Balabhadra. Krishna, Arjuna told to Krishna, oh my friend, my mind is very restless. 1 second mind cannot and fixed. Possible. Your body is here. But where your mind is going? Mind is going to your house, your wife, children. Without ticket, without passport, without visa, your mind always is traveling around the world and again come back. No need to collect money. No need to go to the embassy to get visa. Very easy, just. And again coming back, again going. Because conditioned soul, mind, very flickering. So saying, Chanchalahi Mana Krishna Pramati Balabhadra. Because in this material world, everything is changeable also. Chanchal. Chanchal, understand? Restless. This thing. But in transcendental world, everything is what? Eternal and transcendental. But Yogamaya also using this word, Navayanman. Ever fresh, newly. This is the thing. Because, why I am saying? Because Krishna manifests very nice, beautiful, ever fresh, newly form. That is called Navayan Sarup. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she also manifests her form newly. So when Krishna manifests her ever fresh, newly form, and simultaneously Srimati Radhika, she also manifests her newly form. So Radha Krishna, this also, both also are competition.
Beauty competition.
And beauty competition. Who can, what is it called?
Manifest most beautiful form.
Who can manifest most beautiful form. So that is called, that is Sanskrit word called Hurahuri. Premer hoy Hurahuri. Hurahuri means very, and competition very quickly. Understand?
Get inside the get inside the train like very rush.
If I give one prasad to you, you will think I will take first, I will take first. Huh?
Everybody running.
And everybody want first.
Mahabali.
Huh? This thing. So in the same way, transcendental world, Radha Krishna Swarup, the form of Srimati Radhika, beauty, complexion, they also are compete, understand? Huh? And who can manifest most beautiful form? So saying, Radha Krishna remain hoy huda hudi. Huda hudi, they also are. So much and competition. Understand? Western people, they don't want to competition. You want competition? No, you are very gently, softly going, stop. Understand? If you go Bengal, when trains stop, before you coming out from the train, everybody also what?
Competition.
Enter. Huda hudi. Who will go first? That is Sanskrit word, that is called huda hudi. This huda hudi also in where? Golok Vrindavan. Understand?
Yes.
Here is no huda hudi. Huda hudi, understand? Understand? Because transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, that is called reflected, permanent reflection of in this material world. Sometimes here people are, they are look like is what? Vaikuntha. Very calmly, gently coming, no harm. I will go maybe after 3 days. Understand? But in Golok Vrindavan, huda hudi, competition. Who will go first? And even when Krishna, he used to go herding the cows, all the sakhas, friends of Krishna, all the cows, calves, they also huda hudi. Huda hudi, understand? Compete to run first. Oi. Hold. Golok Vrindavan. Then you have to compete. Who will go run first? Are those who are devotee of Vaikuntha? The associate of Narayan. They are very calm and quiet. Gaurur Visakshan. They are going very gently. No problem. But those who are devotee of Golok Vrindavan, when Krishna, they also compete. Who will go first? When Krishna goes, and all the friends of Krishna, they also huda hudi. They are very want to stay with Krishna. Even cows, calves, they are coming very close to Krishna and running first. Millions cows, millions calves, or millions sakhas, not only one. That is called Aganit. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain in Sri Krishna Bhavanamrit Grantha. When Krishna, he used to go herding the cows in the forest. Just Krishna played the flute, then all his friends, Subal, Sridham, Madhubangal, all they are coming very close to Krishna. Even the cows, calves, they are coming very close to Krishna. Then Krishna embraced to them, because all they want to love and affection from Krishna. Govinda, what is called? Hasta Sparsha. So for their cows, calves, they are coming. Then Krishna embraced them. One cow here. And one thing also, that time Krishna is Bhagavan. So Krishna, that time he manifests many forms. Because Krishna, millions cows, millions calves. So how possible Krishna at a time embraced to all the cows, calves and friends? For this regard, Krishna manifests many forms. Understand? That is called Tadrup Vaibhav. Ekamev Parama Tattang Savika Chinta Sakta Sarupa Tadrupa Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupena Surja Mandala Tadrasmi Pratichadi Rupena Chaturtha Avatisthate. Lord is one, but with his what is called Achinta Sakti. Inconceivable potency, Achinta Sakti. Then he manifests his form. That form is called Tadrup Vaibhav. Tadrup Vaibhav. Manifest many forms. And then all sakhas, all cows, all calves, they are thinking Krishna only with me. And only Krishna, he embraced me. Sometimes Krishna also, what is called? Caressing the neck of the cows, neck of the calves. Then all the calves and cows, their heart melted and tears rolling down. Why? Because Krishna is Bhagavan. Just touching the lotus hand of Krishna, their heart melted, tears rolling down. Govinda Darshan. That is called their Utsav. Utsav means festival. What is Utsav? Festival. What darshan? Govinda Darshanam. Gopinang Nanatplak Tonum Gopa Gopi Sangabritam. In the same way, Madhurya Ras Krishna also doing same thing with the gopis, embracing Krishna this way. And all the gopis, when they got the, what is called? Touch from Krishna's hand, then their heart also melted and tears rolling down. In this way, Golok Vrindavan, this lila is going on there. So now coming in this way, Krishna, he manifests very nice, beautiful lila on the bank of Jamuna under the banyan tree. So Srimati Radhika is there. Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. Sarva Vancha Purti Kare Aradhare Atev Radhika Naam Purane Bakhane. Why Srimati Radhika name is called Radha? Krishna Vancha Purti Kare Aradhane Atev Radhika Naam Purane Bakhane. All Ved, Puran, Upanishad glorified. Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna. So for this regard, Chaitanya Charitamrita, in this Bengali word, use the Krishna Vancha Purti Kare Aradhane Atev Radhika Naam Purane Bakhane. Devi Krishnamai Prokta Radhika Para Devata. Sarva Lakshmi Mai Sanmahini Para. Krishna Mai Krishna Vancha Purti Kare Aradhane. Atev Radhika Naam Purane Bakhane. Krishna Mai, Srimati Radhika always absorbed with Krishna. Wherever she looks, she looks everywhere Krishna. So saying Krishna Mai, her name is called Krishna Mai. Krishna Radha, Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire. In her inner heart and outer heart, everywhere is here Krishna. Jaha jaha netra pade, taha Krishna spure. Wherever she looks is here Krishna, 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 Krishna. Understand? So for this regard, her eyes, the color of her eyes, that is called Krishna color, blue color. Actually not blue, little bit dark blue. Understand? Huh? Understand? Your eyes also not dark blue. This is what? Light blue color. Huh? Only Srimati Radhika's eyes that is called deep dark blue color. That is called Krishna color. Understand? So the Krishna Mai, because she always looks at Krishna. So Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha antare bahire. Jaha jaha netra pade taha Krishna spure. So in Devi, her name is called Devi. Devi means is what? Pala. देवी कही दो तो मना परम सुंदरी किंवा कृष्ण किड़ार बसती नगरी. देवी माने दीप धातु. The verbal root dip means to play. देवी कही दो तो मना परम सुंदरी. And परम सुंदरी, that means she is very beautiful and attractive. Unparalleled. Her beauty is unparalleled. So देवी कही दो तो माना परमा सुंदरी किंवा कृष्ण किड़ार बसती नागरी. All her limbs and body, the playing place of Krishna. And Krishna, he is playing on the whole body of Srimati Radhika. So for that here the Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha antare bahire jaha jaha netra pade ishta कृष्णमयी कृष्ण राधा अंतर बाहिरी जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े तहा कृष्ण स्फुरे. देवी कही दो तो माना परमा सुंदरी किंवा कृष्ण किड़ार बसती नगरी. और all limbs and body, for her the effulgence of toenails, and for in her head crawling hairs, everything is what? Krishna's and Kida Bhumi, playground. Krishna's playground. This and whole limbs and body of Srimati Radhika, that is the playground of Krishna. This thing. So Devi कही दो तो माना परम सुंदरी किंवा कृष्ण किड़ार बसती नगरी. देवी कृष्णमयी प्रोक्ता राधिका, her name is called Radhika, Radha. Radha, Ra means Anurag, Dha means run. That means Krishna, he runs towards her with deep attachment, Anurag. So for this regard, her name is called Radha. Devi Krishna Mai Prukta Radhika Paradevata. Paradevata, she is the supreme and controller. That means Srimati Radhika, she is called the supreme controller in Ras dance. So for this regard, Srimati Radhika, she is called Raseshwari. Rasa Ishwari. Raseshwari. She is the supreme controller of the Ras. Or Krishna is called Rasa Bihari. Ras Bihari. Mane playing Ras with Gopi, Krishna, Srimati Radhika and Gopis. For this regard, Krishna is called Rasa Bihari. This is the Devi Krishna Bhakta Radhika Paradevata. Then Sarva Lakshmi Mai. Sarva Lakshmi means and all the queens of Vaikuntha paying her, paying their obeisances, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. What is the sloka? Rameshwari, Chameshwari, Pramoda, Kananeshwari, Brajeshwari, Brajadhipe. No, Rameshwari, Chameshwari, Pramoda, Kananeshwari, Brajeshwari, Brajadhipe, Sri Radhike, Namaste. And Anantakodi Vishnu Loka Namra Padma Jarchite Humadrija Pulo Maja Virinchaja Baraprade Apara Riddhi Siddhi Sat Padanguli Nake Kadakari Sasyamang Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. Are they another story? Rameshwari, Trivideshwari, मखेश्वरी, मखेश्वरी, क्रियेश्वरी, सुदेश्वरी, त्रिवेद भारतीश्वरी, प्रमोद काननेश्वरी, ब्रजेश्वरी, ब्रजाधिपे श्रीराधिके नमस्ते। राधा कृपा कटाक्ष मुनीन्द्रविंद वंदिते तिलक शोकहारिणी प्रसन्न वक्त्र पंकजे निकुंज भूविलासिनी ब्रजेन्द्र भानु नंदिनी ब्रजेन्द्र सूनु संगते कदा करी शशियमां कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम अनंत कोटि विष्णु लोक नम्र पद्मजार्चिते हिमाद्रिजा पुलो मजा विरिंचजा वराप्रद अपार सिद्धि रिद्धि दिग्धि सत पदांगुली नखे कदा करी शशियमां कृपा कटाक्ष भाजनम। Then this sloka, Rameshwari, come here. Makheshwari, Kriyeshwari, Sadeshwari, Sureshwari, Trivedi, Bhardishwari, Pramoda Kananeshwari, Brajeshwari, Brajadhipe, Siradhike, Namaste. Ananta Koti Vishnu Lok. Not only the Lakshmis, Mahalakshmis. So Mahalakshmi, all the Lakshmis, they are coming from Vaikuntha Dham. That's called Mahalakshmi. They worship Lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Even all the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, coming from Vaikuntha, Mahavaikuntha, they also taking the ghee lamps, ghee lamp, and offering their arti, obeisances, Lotus feet of श्रीमती राधिका स्पर्धिकार अनंत कोटि विष्णु लोक नम्र पद्म जार्चिते हिमाद्रिजा पुलो मजा विरिंचजा वराप्रदे अपार सिद्धि रिद्धि दिग्धि सत पदांगुली नखे कदा करी शशियमां कृपा कटाक्ष भाजन। मद मदादि यौवने प्रमदमान मंडिते प्रियानुराग रंजिते कला विलास पंडिते अनन्न धन्न कुंज राज्य काम केली को विदे कदा करी शशियमां कृपा कटाक्ष भाज। दो कृष्ण इज कॉल्ड आत्माराम आप्तकाम, दो कृष्ण इज कॉल्ड सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉड एट स्वयं भगवान इज कॉल्ड त्रिधर्षर, चित जगत, वैकुंठ जगत, इज कॉल्ड गोलोक वृंदावन, द्वारका एंड Mathura. He is called Tridharsha. She is the supreme controller. But in front of Srimati Radhika, she is completely what? Servant of Srimati Radhika. Who is supreme personality of Godhead, Sang Bhagavan. And now he is the servant of Srimati Radhika. What is the duty of servant? Well, massage my feet. Krishna is massaging the feet of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Smaragar Khandana Mama Sirasi Mandanam Dehi Tava Pada Pallava Mudaram. Jayadev Goswami Pad wrote this word. Krishna also massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And Seva Kunja you can see. And everybody served to Krishna. And now Krishna is servicing Srimati Radhika. And everybody is called, I am the servant of Krishna. Krishna Das, Krishna Das, Krishna Das. Jiver Sarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das. And now Krishna is the servant of Srimati Radhika. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Heavy chastisement to Krishna. Because Krishna is taking the seva from others. Then everybody have to serve to Srimati Radhika. देना के लेना पड़ेगा. Understand? No. Follow.
It's taking the servant of others.
Krishna is taking the service from everybody. Everyone service to. And now Krishna is serving to Srimati Radhika. But why? Because Krishna he took seva from others. Now have to serve. Rasik Vaishnava are explained this way. Huh? Good or not? Having chastisement to Krishna, punishment to Krishna. Why did you take the service to others? Huh? So now Srimati Radhika, okay, you serve to me. Huh? These are things. Huh? So Radha Krishna's Leela is going on there. Many Leelas is going on there. And Krishna is very happy. If you go Vrindavan, Braj, there are many Braj, what is called? Song is there. What is this song? Huh? Devan, what is called? Just I forget. Maybe we see the book. Brajaras Dhara. Song is there also. Maybe we'll go and tell. Understand? The one Muslim poet, Raskan, he wrote one verse. And what is it called? I searched everywhere, but I did not find out Krishna. Where is he? Then finally I saw Krishna and he is servicing lotus feet of Srimati Radhika in Seva Kunja. Raskan, one Muslim poet. So much love and affection with Srimati Radhika. Haribo!
Focus.
Brahma mein thudo. I searched Krishna in Brahma, effulgence, Jyotirdham, but I did not find out Krishna. I went to Vaikuntha, Ajodha, Dwaraka, Mathura, everywhere, but I did not find Krishna. But when I come in Vrindavan, then I came in Seva Kunja, then I saw Krishna is servicing or massaging the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Radhe. Bole Radha Krishna ei leela hoy Gurutar. Dasya Vatsalya Adi nahi esab gochar. Those who are the devotee of Dasya Sakha Vatsalya, they cannot understand. They have no interest to listen this katha. Which katha? So saying Chaitanya Charitamrita, Dasya Vatsalya nahi esab gochar. केवल एक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला आस्वादय. Those who are the Sakhi mood of gopis, only they can understand, others cannot understand. Others can go to the ocean and drink the water. Understand? Could you drink the water of the ocean? Rambhadra, go. Drink water. Drink the water of the ocean. No, you drink or not?
No.
Today Ekadasi cannot drink because very salty. Then you vomiting. Huh? Yeah. Pagal. Huh? So saying Radha Krishna ei leela. Oi leela means very confidential pastimes of conjugal mood. Everybody cannot understand. Only those who are devotees of Madhurya Ras, Singar Ras, they can understand. Others cannot understand. Understand? Well, how will understand? Then you 1.8 with Srimati Radhika and stay in Vrindavan. Vrindavan Bas. Stay in Vrindavan, reside in Vrindavan. Or third, associate with high class, exalted, Brajarasik, Sadhu and Guru. Tar तार भक्त संगे सदा रसलीला प्रेम कथा जे करे से पाए घनश्याम। हैं? बोलो राधा रानी की जय। हैं? हाँ नाउ गो चलो एकादशी दीदा एकादशी हरि कथा। हैं? Everybody just stand your face. Everybody. Back at the boat.
Não, mas eu não tava tão pressa.
Oi,
Tava aqui, né? Aí você pegou depois de um tempo.
Segura rapidinho aí, você não tem que ficar virado de costas pra ele. Ele quer que a gente tire foto, filho.
Vai rapidinho. Segura aqui. É pra eu fazer o quê? Pra dar a volta, é isso?
Vai lá pra trás.
Ah, tá.
Quem? Ah, você também.
Oi, Manusha. Come here. Hold your cloth. Everybody face you this.
Sarva ótima, mãe.
Okay, everybody turn your face. Okay. Oh, everybody come. Come.
Uma mãozinha esperta.
O celular é seu, Prabhu?
Oi?
O celular aquele ali?
Tá ali.
Esse aqui tira.
Esse aí tá te chamando.
Ah, tá. Põe onde?
Quer aparecer?
Deixa, continuo deixando filmar.
Sim, deixa eu. Eu vou ali então. Aí
Tá,
tu.
você já tirou?
Não.
Agora que você utilizou.
Oi, Tchuta. Obrigada.
Nada, olha que lindo, parece uma volta. Você que fez?
Oi, who read this? Who?
Quem fez?
Step your feet on.
No one step. Falou pra pagar pra ninguém pisar em cima.
Don't write Radha now.
Ah, cannot write on the sand, Gurudev? Cannot write on the sand because somebody can step?
Yeah, they will take them.
Vamos pegar um solo. Ó, Gurudeva! Jai Gurudeva! Arriba! É pra beber. É claro. Já. Nossa, que linda! Tira uma foto. É pra eu falar? Tira, tira. Esse aqui é
Era 24 horas.
Já.
Era 20.
Tá passando aquele jeito de portrait? Vamos ver que fica em evidência. Ai, olha que é. Tabu. Cadê? Sniper. Bota o portrait aqui pra ela. Vai já no portrait? Portrait mode. Tabu, tira umas fotos no portrait mode aí. Seu celular.
Olha.
Porque
É o que? Aquele lá.
que fica ele. É isso, é. Ficou tão bonito. This is like a desert beach. There's no one here. But it's connected to the city by one walk, one way. Now we're going there. Mas também é difícil. Se quisesse fazer também era melhor. Segura essa aqui então. Ou segurar, ou fazer.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Aqui é a Praia do Coco, a Praia do Coco. Quem quisesse conhecer a Praia do Coco. Balneário. Balneário Camboriú. Santa Catarina. Balneário Camboriú, Brasil. Vamos aqui na let's go. Okay. A foto do Kunda, gente. O Gurudev pediu. E o caranguejo? Crab. Gente, deixa a foto aqui, Didi, do caranguejo. O Gurudev pediu. Peraí, vida, eu tô logando aqui, eu quero mudar, eu quero fazer a live aqui e tirar foto. Agora
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Caramba, não. Com certeza não chega, não tem quanto. Pega um.
Oi, eu vou mudar, eu vou botar seu celular.
Não, pode aqui.
É, eu deixo o coletor lá macerando, depois tá pronto, aí deixo
Pô, Krishna. Poxa, olha isso. Ah, tem.
We start another live because of some phone problem. This live will shut down. We start another live. Another live. Just see, and there's another live.
Take one photo here.
Segura aqui rapidinho. Segura, por favor.